Greetings and thank you for spending your time with Mr. KPA, aka Jerome Mack Sanders, where we are manufacturing autonomous codified knowledge to keep people alive through our knowledge protocol assets framework and our audit pivot build methodology. I only have 2 minutes, so I'm going to let my system do some of the talking while I do a demonstration of what we're about here. This is a testimonial from Abuja, Nigeria.
Everyone, my name is Tosin Falodun and I would like to share my experience with the KPA Wisdom and Sovereign Mindset Academy Volume 1. Before joining the Academy, I had dreams and goals, but I did not always have the right mindset to pursue them effectively. Through the teachings in Volume 1, I learned that success begins in the mind. I discovered that wisdom is not just about having knowledge.
I will attach this.
It is about applying the right principles at the right time.
Knowledge, protocol,
One of the
assets,
greatest lessons I learned is the importance of personal responsibility.
And Volume 2. Volume 2 requires the API key if you want to get additional knowledge and ask Mr. KPA. But it's not required, it's fully functional without it. Fully functional.
Module 1. The Sovereign Audit. Key point. Wisdom Anchor. Wisdom of Surrey 32.
$100. You can also
Do
get
nothing
access to
without
me here.
deliberation.
$100,
After the action,
and
you will have no
you can have it for
regrets.
generations.
If you
Audit
have any
this crazy
questions about
system,
this step,
pivot
please
to
feel
better
free to ask
protocols,
M.R.
and build your legacy.
KPA.
Through Mr.
Or reach
KPA
out to
and the
life
knowledge
support at
protocol
SBL
assets
KPA
audit
Systems
pivot
at
build
gmail.com.
methodology. $100.